Sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to my video part 2. जो पहली वीडियो थी मैंने वो कल डाली थी, बट मैंने उस वीडियो को देखा शाम तक बिकॉज आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद माई सेल्फ. देन आई रियलाइज कि मैंने वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में बोला था दैट वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट हाउ वी फॉरगेट समवन आफ्टर दे डू समथिंग फॉर अस. एंड देन आई रियलाइज मैंने पूरी वीडियो में उसके बारे में बात ही नहीं की. All I'm talking about is my makeup and my daily care, blah blah blah. I was like, oh my god, now we're gonna talk about that. Because see, if you really like love someone and want to be with someone, it is possible that we all are humans और गलतियाँ सबसे होती हैं. See, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि गलतियों को माफ़ करो. If they do something and say sorry, forgive them. Again they did something and say sorry, forgive them, and repeat. No. Like, if you really love someone and you want to be with them, I feel that you should give them chance, not chances, chance. If they did something wrong to you, leave them. If you feel like you have to leave them. But if you really want to be with someone, it could be your friend or your boyfriend or your husband or XYZ. I'm not talking about my husband, okay? Your husband. If and like छोटी गलतियाँ सबसे हो जाती हैं. Like, it's okay, कभी सबसे होती हैं और हम कभी ना कभी कैसे ना कैसे डिसअपॉइंट कर देते हैं, तो हमें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. No, you're not doing this for me, I think we shouldn't be together. No, it should be not like that. If you really love someone and you know that they also love you and they are also cooperating with you, I think you should also do that. And if they really say sorry and you can see that in their action, you should forgive them and give them another chance. This is what I feel. Day बहुत रश वाला था. He forgive. कोई बात नहीं, इंसान के दिमाग में 100 बातें चलती हैं. अगर वो भूल गया तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं उस एक छोटी सी बात के लिए बवाल खड़ा कर दूंगी. You don't love me, you don't care for me, I'm not in your priority list, my things are not in your priority list. Things doesn't work like that. Do it in the second time and saying sorry and taking care for the next time. Then I think you should forgive them and give them another chance. You can see that in the people's actions or talk or in the eyes or expressions or the way they are talking to you. You can see clearly. We are living in a world where is so much rush. It can happen to anyone. It can happen to us also. People ask us something, we forgot because कभी हम बहुत ज़्यादा busy हो जाते हैं तो भूल जाते हैं. It's not a big deal, right? But we can see clearly, again I'm saying, we can see clearly लोगों के actions में, उनकी बातों में, body language में, is invested in you or who is not. So I think we are adults and we can take that decision. Yes, and this was something I was supposed to talk about while doing my makeup, but I forgot. So in the evening, and this is my evening look, you guys. All the makeup is gone because of the heat and my hair's oily. Done. Okay, and I'll promise I'll come back tomorrow. Okay, till then, take care. Bye. Love you. Bye.